Okay, guys, before going to see about the bugs, all the kind of things, first we need to know what is website. Website, in technical term, we say it is a front end user, and the server side it is called back end user. So now in this playlist, we are going to focus on front end, and later we are going to focus on back end. In front end, there are several programming languages used to build your websites. That programming languages are HTML. Actually, it is not a programming language. It is a markup language. So don't worry. Everything we discuss here, so you see in practical. So it is a markup language. It's just show what we given, just to show line by line. It does not do anything. Just to display text or some kind of colors. That's it. So CSS language is used for designing the fonts, images with Bootstrap. Bootstrap is a collection of CSS commands. It's used to change the images or text to a next level graphics. Bootstrap is created by Facebook. So next, the important thing is everyone need to understand is JavaScript. So without JavaScript, most of the website will not work. So we see in practical. Also, you need to know this JavaScript used to program in your website, like login pages, calculating max like pages. There's also React.js, native.js. It's a collection of JavaScript used for user-friendly and high-level programming languages, like same as Bootstrap with CSS, like React native JS.JavaScript. Python is also used for website to build front end and back end. So if you guys confused with it, so leave it. We will see it later. So Node.js is a backend server-side programming languages, and MySQL, MongoDB is known as database. So if you are a beginner, just note this point. So first we are going to see this. Later we are going to see a high level. So this is the basic level thing to understand as you are bug hunter. So next we are going to see about connections. In website there are three types of connections. First one is HTTP connection, Hypertext Transfer Protocol. So it just transfer a text file from one computer to another computer. Maybe consider this one computer to server. Like you are opening a Facebook, it will communicate with Facebook server. Using HTTP, it just send a text file. But Hypertext Transfer Protocol secure will encrypt the data and send to the Facebook server. So hackers cannot be hacked. In HTTP connection, if hacker hacked, he can see all the informations. But in HTTPS, the information is secured. It encrypted, but it cannot be seen by hackers. So the high level of security is Hypertext Transfer Protocol Security, Transport Security. So HSDS. So it is the high level of HTTPS and HTTP. The both combined and form HSDS connection. Don't worry, if you don't know anything, we will see everything in detail. Okay, let us see in your website. Okay, so I'm in a Firefox browser in google.com website. So if I press F12, so it will show inspect elements. So this is the program. Okay, this is the program for this web page. See, HTML, so class, so CSS, so everything along is showing here. So every browser has an compiler and interpreter. So we want to know about the connections. Okay, you all know the website or Coursera is for learning. If I go to the Coursera website, you see here the log symbol with the caution mark. See, the connection is not secure because this website doesn't have SSL certificate. So SSL means secure socket layer. So it does not have a secure socket layer. By right clicking this, so view page source code. So the full page source code can be viewed here. See, doc type HTML means HTML version 5. Language English. So don't worry, if you know HTML, you can easily understand. See, the script using, so if you see this script, right, so they are using a JavaScript for this. So if you don't want JavaScript in your browser, just open YouTube. The full JavaScript is run using YouTube. So without JavaScript, YouTube page cannot be loaded. Let's see. Let's go to options. If you come to this option, then just type here con config. So if you proceed with caution, so here you type Java, JAVASURIT. So here, if you disable JavaScript enable, so if you disable it, see, this is the page we got when we disable JavaScript. See, nothing load here, nothing, anything is loaded here, just 10 pages. That's it. Nothing, I can click anything. Instead of seeing this, click anything. So if I enable true, I can load this JavaScript. So you guys can understand how powerful this JavaScript is. So why I'm saying we are going to hunt a bug, because we are using to hunt a bug by using JavaScript codes. Because we inject JavaScript code here, search engine where you can type uh, text here. In this area, we going to inject everything, every payload, and finding a bugs. I hope guys you can understand what is your website and what we are going to see about. So my next video, we're going to see about how to find a bugs, what type of bugs, all the things. Thanks for watching.